See, as soon as I share my hair problem with this AI assistant, it immediately responds with a perfect solution. Now I am asking the next, and instantly this AI assistant replied to me with the possible reasons and shared a proper hair care suggestion. Now I am asking the next question as why does my hair feel rough after coloring or bleaching? And again it replied to me like this by suggesting the right hair care routine and product. Next I am sending a message as tell me the details about your product, and within seconds I received the response that includes all the product related information. Now I sent a message as pricing details. So now this AI assistant is even sharing the pricing details. Now I'm asking a last question as is there any offer? Then it says me the offer based on each product. And you know what? I designed this complete WhatsApp AI assistant without writing a single line of code. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create this automated WhatsApp AI assistant step by step using Pabbly Chatflow. I created this AI assistant for hair care business as an example, but you can customize the same setup for your own business too. Whether you want to automate customer support, recommend product, capture leads, or reply instantly on WhatsApp, you can build everything easily with Pabbly Chatflow. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business that works for you 24/7, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool I have ever used. With the help of this single tool, you can not just only create AI assistant, but you can create automated WhatsApp chatbot, broadcast messages, and many more. So grab this offer as soon as possible. Now, without wasting any time, let's build this complete WhatsApp AI assistant together. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. And you know what is the craziest part? Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing purpose. Once you do the sign up process, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and on the left hand side you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. So you just have to come in this AI assistant feature as we are creating a WhatsApp AI assistant. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand what is knowledge base and how you can create an AI assistant. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button. Next you have to give a descriptive name to your AI assistant that I am entering as build your own WhatsApp AI assistant full tutorial. Here I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the AI assistant you are creating. After that I am clicking on this button. See, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting it as an AI agent, and as soon as I have selected the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions here. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how the AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. After that, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI, and next you have to select the model that I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. It will provide you multiple options. You can select any one of your choice. After that, it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. See, this is my OpenAI platform. Now for generating this API key, you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. After the project, I'm selecting as default project and the permission as all. Next, I'm clicking on this create secret key button, and see, I got my API key. Here I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I'm copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options. So if you want to add header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter it here. If you want to add footer message, then you can enter it here. I am not adding any of these, so I am not enabling this toggle. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have added some stop keyword here and the user will set exact that keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. Here I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give response to your user. You can increase the retry attempt till 10. But after that, the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or a connection issue. I have entered this fallback message by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. Now the next one is the most important part of doing the setup of your assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you just have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your assistant. With knowledge base, your assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, your assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial we are going to design an AI assistant for hair care product sales expert. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is the knowledge base file for hair care business. Here I have added all the related information about my business and some general FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. I have designed this by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. It plays crucial role. With the help of this only, the AI assistant will give business specific replies. I have created this knowledge base file inside Google Docs. After adding all the information related to my business, you just have to download the file in the PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file, just drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload file. So this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file. After that, select it from here and click on this insert button. Now the knowledge base file is successfully uploaded. Moving forward are the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first I am entering a heading as smart AI assistant, and you can see as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you, as it is visible here too. Next, the initial message I have entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I added only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. And I added the footer text as privacy policy, also added one footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. You can change it if you want to. As again and again I am saying that I am designing this AI assistant by my choice, because my objective is only to teach you how you can create an AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. You can customize the content based on your own business. Here my main focus is on you can understand the logic. After that, next one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I am not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I am enabling this toggle so that my assistant will becomes active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can do the setup of your assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. And the next button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites too. So not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing this setup, I am clicking on the settings option and going in this inbox settings. Now I am going to do the setup of my assistant for all of my contacts. So this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you just have to scroll down and you will see an option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here. On WOM you have to set your AI assistant. Next, select the AI assistant from here and click on the save button, and see it says that inbox settings saved successfully. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So we have also a solution for that too. So for that, you just have to go in this contacts feature and add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can add up to 2 lakhs contacts. So this is how interesting this single tool is. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time. Like this solves all of their queries and works 24/7 even while you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.